Hello, my name is Matt Nimick, Service Advisor at Smail Motor Cars in Greensburg, Pennsylvania. Today I want to talk to you about some offers we have coming up this month. Come in for your free tire tread depth analysis, so that way if your tires do look like this, we can replace them so they look like this. Right now, take advantage of pre-qualified Mercedes-Benz tires instant savings. $75 off of a pair of 2, $150 off of a set of 4. And also, are you tired of that pesky tire light coming up on your dash? With our Nitrofill, you can not only maximize longevity and performance of your tires themselves, you can also eliminate the tire light coming on. Save $20 on Nitrofill this month. And lastly, let us protect your investment. Save $30 off four-wheel alignment with state-of-the-art equipment and factory-trained technicians. And as always, we'll perform our complimentary multi-point inspection, car wash, and don't forget to take advantage of our price match guarantee. You deserve a tire and alignment center that works for you, so come visit us off Route 30 in Greensburg, Pennsylvania, or at smailmercedes-benz.com.